Hello. So today I wanted to start with robot repair puzzle. I think it's really fun. It allows us to practice some of the logical stuff that we've been learning. So let's jump right to it. I'm going to go straight to our worksheet here. So this is a series of puzzles. So in this worksheet, there's three of them. The first one we'll work through together. And the other two, I want you to try on your own. So what is this puzzle? So the goal of this puzzle is to place power cells. So on the first problem, you have two power cells, and each of the power cell could go in one of 9 locations listed below. And the goal is to place it in such a way so that each of the clue panels on the top, so there's 4 of them. So, oops, sorry about that. Okay, each of those 4 clue panels will be true. So the first clue panel right here, it says green. This means that the green wire on the graph that you see below, that will have at least one power cell touching it. So there could be a power cell at 8, which turns on the green wire, or it could be at 6, which also turns on the green wire. Technically, it could be at both 8 and 6, but at least one of the power cells has to be touching those wires to be on. So this first clue is telling me I must have a power cell at 8 or 6 or both. The other clue panels are telling me one of these two things have to be true, or at least one of these two things. So either there's no blue, so the power cell cannot be on 7, 8, or 9, or the green is off, right? So it can be at 8 or 6. But I already know that the green is on. The green had to be on, so I'm going to put T for true, which means not green has to be false. It has to have the opposite truth value. But at least one of these things has to be true. So that means the not blue has to be true. So you can't have a power cell on 7, 8, or 9. I hope that made sense. So that's what the second panel tells me. But if I eliminated 8 and I knew that there was a power cell on 8 or 6, I know that there has to be a power cell at 6 because the green had to be on. Okay, so I know where one of the power cell is. Let's see, what do I know? Because I placed the power cell at 6, the green is on, but also just by virtue of putting it there, the purple wire is turned on as well. So I'm looking at the next clue panel and I have a section for not purple. So if purple is forced to be on, so this has to be false. But at least one of these two things has to be true, which means yellow has to be true. So the other power cell has to be at either 4 or 2. Now, I only have 2 power cells here, so I could actually kind of eliminate other possibilities there. Okay, so let's look at the final clue panel. Let's see. I know yellow has to be on. That's what we concluded from here. So not yellow has to be false, which means the orange would have to be on. So orange wire is here. Oops, I kind of colored over it so it looks like green. But I need to turn yellow on, and I also need to turn orange on, and I only have one power cell left. So the only way to do it is to place it on 4. Okay. So the 2 power cells is going to be at 4 and 6. I hope that made sense. I think this puzzle is really fun, so I hope you try it and you like it as well. So I think I'm gonna let you go here. Please try second and the third puzzle, and I hope you could solve it. The third one only has 1 power cell. Second one has 2. If you're not sure about the rules as I described it, let me know, and I could try to describe it better. But I hope the presentation walkthrough of the first one made sense, and I hope you like it, because I think I'm gonna put one of these problems for the homework set for next week, not for this week, but for the next set, and you might see it on the quiz as well for the logic section. So try it out and let me know. Okay. I'll see you with the next video.